This is a second summit. Last July, Azerbaijan, Turkey, and Pakistan held a first summit. And I am confident that this tradition will continue. Our peoples and countries are united with shared history, culture, and moral values. We are pleased by our achievements and have always stood next to each other during trials and tribulations. Azerbaijan, Turkey, and Pakistan have always upheld sovereignty, territorial integrity, and justice. In 2020, during the 44-day patriotic war since day one, Turkey and Pakistan have extended political and moral support for which we are profoundly grateful. Azerbaijan, in its turn, have always supported Turkey and Pakistan. Today, we once again highlight the united nature and solidarity of our people, strategic development of our countries, and tapping on our resources. We aim to reach shared goals, political value, economic, energy, mutual investment, transportation, defense, agriculture, information technology, and other spheres are the ones where there are ample opportunities to advance that cooperation through joint projects. Azerbaijan has invested over $20 billion in Turkish economy. We envisage and prepared to invest $2 billion into Pakistan's economy as we today go through specific investment projects with that nation. Thanks to cooperation between Azerbaijan and Turkey, it is not just our region, but far beyond our geography. We've managed to change the energy map. Our countries play a key role in ensuring energy security of many nations, and today, production of renewable energy and its export are the new projects that we envisage. Along with that, going through Azerbaijan and Turkey, there are transportation routes that unite Europe and Asia and are of strategic significance. Development of multimodal transportation means we aim to see Pakistan more closely involved. In the area of defense industry, we do believe there is great potential, and it's of great importance in defense industry amplify the potential of our armed forces. Our defense cooperation ensures peace and stability across a vast geography. We also pay attention to advanced technologies, artificial intelligence, and space intelligence, and space exploration. There's a great potential for that as well. Academic collaborations, cultural events, and reinvigorating tourism links will only enhance the ties between our peoples. In the meantime, in the international platforms and institutions, we have always expressed solidarity, and that had only boosted our positions. United Nations, Organization of Islamic Cooperation, Economic Cooperation Organization, SICA, and other international bodies, not to mention D8, are the platforms where we can unite our efforts, and we are committed to that. In the meantime, during the 11th summit of D8, unanimous support to Azerbaijan's candidature of becoming a full-fledged member, we express support to brotherly Turkey and brotherly Pakistan. Dear colleagues, Azerbaijan has always stood next to brotherly Turkey and Pakistan in Turkey's fight against terrorism, and its achievements come to our delight. We are rejoicing with that. The solution of PKK and the fact that they decided to lay arms is a testament to leadership, wisdom, and determination of my brother Recep Tayyip Erdogan. This historic achievement is important not just for Turkey, but for entire region. I wish to congratulate brotherly Turkey on this historic accomplishment. The most recent tensions between Pakistan and India had troubled us the most, and we watched it very closely in the hope that peace would prevail. And from the early hours, we've openly expressed our solidarity with brotherly Pakistan. We would like to see that dialogue and negotiations in line with the UN Charter and UN resolutions. This is the way to move forward in this conflict. Dear friends, after 30 years of Armenian occupation, Laçın is welcoming you, and I am confident that Azerbaijan, Turkey, and Pakistan will live forever. Thank you for your attention.